of that design, we actually asked Yamaha to drop the design and license because that was also not licensed by us. But unfortunately, those products is out there. So that is also fake stuff. We don't have specific numbers because most of the value, maybe potentially 70%, 80% of the market does not belong to us. It's covered by all the infringement companies or unlawful or illegal products. So we recognize that we have really small benefit in Malaysia and everything else is taken by infringement.
On the astronaut too. So it's one of the first brother hero in the Ultraman series, and it's about the story of family, friendship, and two brothers, how they come across evil enemies, and how they grow and get intelligent and become proper ultra heroes.
We would love to, but we don't have specific project in the theme park yet. But as we can see that those infringement and fake stuff, all the counterfeit will go away. We will have more opportunity to invest and have more activity here in Malaysia and all other countries as well. Well, it's the foundation, it's the base key finance that we can keep continuing developing our new productions and IPs and new events and everything is supported by all these revenues. So it is crucial that we have get rid of infringement and returns to us so that we can now then reinvest in the new content and in the high quality of events and all. So it is really key and fundamental stuff. It is very important for us. I don't have specific number for you today because it's very difficult for someone who is very small. But it is obvious. If you go to the shopping center, if you go see those events, most of them are not licensed. So we have no ways of calculating how big is in terms of numbers specifically yet, but it is a big number. So we are guessing could be 70-80%. But in most shopping centers, all the counterfeit products are out there. Most of events are not official, so it's huge amount.
So we have a long-term partnership with Bandai,
Okay.
and the resale is done by LitTag, a company called LitTag, and their main distributions on Toys R Us and Eon, and so you'll get legal products there, but it's very hard for us to get legal products in when we have infringement, because infringement is always cheaper than legal products. And when we do licensing, as we had explained to you guys, is that the brand, keeping the brand is a very important part of licensing. And that takes time, effort on each other's side. And that doesn't happen in infringement. So the things that we see in the market about infringement is lack of quality, and very cheap, but it's not the brand that we would like to convey to this market. So this is a very difficult part that we're trying to fight against at this moment.
And definitely Bandai is the authentic product. And as you saw that we take serious action in China, and those counterfeit products made in China, we are really stopping with policies in China. So definitely Bandai is official good products out there, and other stuff, that infringement stuff could not be safe, could not be using material is not maybe allowed. Maybe it could be, you know, Chinese factories may be using, you know, labor that is not allowed, for example. So, you know, that is not good for nobody. So that is very important, and retailers can stop by understanding the truth, and I hope this event will help retailers understanding what is authentic and what is not authentic. So we hope all the retailers in Malaysia to understand Tsuburaya Productions and the click licensing is the only sole copyrights and who can officially authorize all the events or merchandising. That's a fair question. I think we should provide more variety on pricing and the low pricing as well. But we will prepare those opportunities together with also licensing partners in Japan or in China or in Malaysia and all the world. So, but first of all, we need to stop infringement, and then we will bring the full range, and those people will benefit and will be brave to make investment to provide such, you know, good quality but lower pricing point as well.
Ultraman Reboot was a collaboration with Lego Park, with Upin and Ipin, which is a very loved IP in Malaysia, and I was part of the project, and we do have plans for Reboot to come back to the market, and I hope you guys will be happy when you see this video. Thank you.
It will be surprise, so we don't tell you when. Well, we have a lot of how can I say people from the government today as well. We will keep dialogue how they can help us. I think it is important that first step is that everybody knows. Everybody knows what is authentic, what is not authentic. And I believe Malaysian people will take actions in good faith. And once you know those that becomes like understood by everyone, and even after that there is, you know, fake stuff and counterfeit, we will take a necessary actions for that. As we did today, we will take to the next step. Today, we can just say that we are prepared to take serious actions, and you know, if needed, I will come back again, or we will have a team to stop this. As I explained, the TV series that we do every year, that is the core, and so we will keep developing that TV series for kids. We have the biggest budgeted movies coming in 2021. So that movie will be a huge step for us. And in the future, we don't have specific plan yet, but we hoping to get also the movies like in Hollywood movies level. So we will, you know, keep the TV series, and we will have like new kaiju steps for the younger age group. We have YouTube for higher age group, and we have movies that we developed in Japan but for global, and furthermore we will be expanding to the even higher budgeted movie for global. Yes, Western market is also important for us.